Yo! Hold on, I gotta transform. Now Superman gets into the telephone booth. I get into my car, throw on the glasses. And just so you guys know how I look without the glasses and the hat. You see, I look like a normal person. Once the glasses and the hat comes on, a totally different person comes out. And I am Boy, the host with the most. And we're gonna record some crazy things today. It's 2011. If you didn't know why we didn't record, the weather was real crazy. And this is like, it's not too hot, but it's not snowing. So we're gonna be out there, a good meal, get to buy 20 or 40, whatever. You know, we're gonna make sure we pay for their habits today. So we see you over there. I'm getting dressed in the car. Superman gets dressed in the telephone booth. I get dressed in my car, and I'm gonna look fresh. I'm not Ryan Seacrest, but my name is Boy, and I'm the host with the most. With a Metro card, a lot of people don't understand what you can get with a Metro card. There's a lot of entertainment, a lot of talent right here under the grounds of New York City streets. We're gonna find all the talent. We're down underground, we're riding the 6 train, and we're going to Union Square, Times Square, 34th Street, all around. This is my stop, and I'm getting out of here. Let's see if we get lucky. I got some money to give out. We're gonna make somebody get a little, you know? Yeah.
听不懂，耳朵听不懂。
Say hi, say hi, say hi. Hi.
是吧？哦，照相的呀。
Yeah, yeah.
哦，照相。
Yeah, shot shot.
啊，可以可以。Yes.
Okay, right?
Yes.
And we got the first act in Union Square from Japan? China? Yes. Go ahead, play something.
看什么？
Go ahead. Voila. Voila. You make $3.
听不懂。
吃不错，吃不错。
再看有。
再看有 all right. We got more money to give away, and I'm gonna see you over there. Trust me. We're gonna. There you go. He's setting up right now. Let's see if we can crash on them. Let's see what's this about. So for the camera. Let's go. Subway's is dead, but to every sound of the subway, there's always music close by. So right now, I'm trying to listen out if I hear a voice or an instrument or something.
what's New York City all about. New York City Underground. As you can see, these guys playing live music, instrumentals. This is what New York City is all about.